how to join Google Meet with link. Now, if you want to join a Google Meet meeting using your link, it's actually quite very simple for you to do so. All you have to do is simply open up your browser, and at the top left, you want to go to meet.google.com. If you're trying to use from your browser, you can use the Google Meet app on both your desktop and the application on mobile phone. Once you're here, even before you log in or don't log in, you can see it says video calls and meetings for everyone. It says enter a code or link. So basically, if you have got a meeting code or link right here, you can simply paste them right here. As soon as you paste it, if the link is valid, you will see the join option right here, which you can simply choose to click on it, and then you will be able to join it. On the other hand, if you want to create your own meeting as well, you can also just click on the new meeting option, and you can start an instant meeting and share the link with others. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically join your Google Meet link. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.